Hello Spider Peeps. Okay, so it's another haul video, but you might recognize this logo and you might go, oh well, what's so cool about an Amazon haul? It's not like an AliExpress haul or a TEMU haul. You've just ordered several things off Amazon. But no, look, Amazon has started doing Amazon hauls. I think TEMU or AliExpress might have got them scared. So yeah, you had to order £15 worth of things from their haul catalogue, and then you got free postage. The weird thing about it was I've got Amazon Prime, but it didn't come quick. So it took 5 or 6 days to come, unlike normal Amazon orders that come next day. So let's have a look at what's in this haul. I like this wrapping paper. Right, that looks more like a Chinese marketplace thing, doesn't it? So I don't know whether this has come from China. The bags do seem a little bit different, but maybe they've just come from a different warehouse. Oh, look at that. Okay. All right. And some of those. So, first thing is they're not all in separate bags that you have to open. So I've got various bits here. These are some packing crates. Obviously it's made in China, but I mean everything is, isn't it? It's all a case of pay for it from Amazon, get it quick, still made in China, or buy directly from China, get it cheap, still made in China. So these are some packing cubes. So SpiderMaf has been travelling recently, and I wanted some of these that you can put your clothes inside and have the items of clothes separate inside your luggage. So that's some of those. I'm not going to open that here. And then the other stuff was sort of watch repair. All right, so that obviously should be in there. And yeah, I just saw this like a little repair kit, but I like the idea of this screwdriver. But honestly, this screwdriver really does feel like it's cheap rubbish. Yeah, these are the things Amazon can't sell, I bet. All right, so that's I mean, it's got a Torx bit. Let's zoom in a little bit. Got a few different bits. But if you think all this order was about £15, so I don't know, 5 things about £3 each. This is a watch tool, watch repair fixing tool, and I thought I'd try this. This is for pushing out the links in your watches, I think. Was it? Or is it for getting rid of the little watch bracelet plier, for getting the little spring things out of here? Yeah, somehow. So that's some pliers for doing that with. So I'll play with those when I want to do this. These two watch things are the bits I was really interested in, because that does feel, well, it feels solid. That feels like a much nicer tool than that. Look at that. Is that bent? Looks like that's bent. Okay. Maybe they need to get rid of that. Did you see that? I just stabbed myself. Magnetic cable organizer. I just saw these and wondered what they were like. Probably something I could 3D print very easily. I just like the idea that the magnet is to hold it together. So you must have to stick them somewhere, and then you can wrap that around the cable so you can pull the cable off easily, but it will hold the cable. Quite like the idea of that. Thought there might be, there you go, some sticky pads that goes with that. They're quite useful. I sort of like those when it's injection molded as opposed to 3D printed. Sometimes they're nicer. But yeah, okay, just got these left. So this is another watch tool. So I think this is to get the bars out of a watch bracelet. Yeah, that's quite a neat thing. And now this doesn't feel the same quality that this does. This feels good. This feels a little bit tacky. So you obviously put your watch band across there, and when you push that, it pushes the pin out. So if it's an easy way to remove or add links and push the pin out when you're changing it. So that's I think that's better than the other one that I had, which was a big plastic chunky thing. So that might be useful to go in my watch repair kits. And it looks like there's, whether these are different, there's some spare pushy things. So I don't know whether they are for different types of watches or they're just for when, if you break them. Okay, so they came a little bit quicker than China, although China are getting really fast now at some things. About £15 for that. These bags, they were £5.22. This screwdriver set, which I shouldn't have bought, is £1.97. These things are £1.79. I think they're worth it. The bracelet tool, that one was £2.77. That was definitely worth it as well. And then this big thing, this was £4.33, so this was a bit more expensive. So what do you think? Amazon hauls, are they worth it? Or are they just Amazon being desperate for something that they've already got most of the market of anyway? I don't know. Let me know. Bye.